go.
Alright. Oh fuck. My bad, my bad.
Pull back. We got A.
Oh fuck, we're cooked. We're low, no power, no power, no power. Fuck.
Yeah, I wouldn't fly over the shit. Yo, Richard, do you know the BF3, BF4 thing or what? No?
We're talking about the thing.
Like you fucking hit and retreat and then repair.
Yeah, I mean, I could do that, but this map is really small, so like we'd have to just be over base the whole time, and we're still getting fucked up at base. Not to mention, there's no targets unless you expose yourself a little bit at least.
Well, I got a tank.
And friendly AA isn't doing dick.
Yeah, our friendly AA is not doing anything, so it's like it doesn't even matter.
Where is the friendly AA?
But there's a bot and there's also a player, and the player isn't doing shit. The bot's like very much close in air to air support. And what are you doing? You want ammo, Keelan? I'll give you ammo.
Hey,
Here.
the chopper gunner's coming up again.
Here. Here, I'll put that on a fucking trophy system too, so if someone tries to hit us with rockets or grenades, it'll stop them.
I'm gonna get the chopper again.
Did you?
I'm going to.
About Kyle Carpenter myself. Ugh.
Got it.
Alright. Give me 5 seconds. I'm in.
Let's switch.
Switching. Alright, let's
Yeah.
I'll stay a little more. I'm back.
Fuck, dude. Need more ammo.
Alright, I just killed the fucking F-22. We're out of power, and the fucking Apache got us.
It's tricky.
Richard, you don't have to go for air kills, bro.
I need ammo.
No, I'm not going for, okay. There's 2 aircraft threats that were coming in to get us. An F-22 and the Apache. I was trying to go for the Apache first because he is a legit threat. Like, he's going to kill us if we don't do anything about it. The F-22 is also there. I could get the F-22, so I went for the F-22 kill. Got him. Which is cool because I killed an F-22 with the helicopter, which is pretty impressive. But, yeah, I mean, it's fucked.
How do you get?
I'm gonna go.
F2.
Are you trying to switch seats? Dude, let us go outside of the map a bit more. Fuck, let us breathe. This fucking map is... So it doesn't matter if you're below a certain altitude if you're painted?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my...
Got him! Oh my god, I'm clipping that shit. Oh my god.